Right now we want to introduce somebody who's been performing shows with us since we've started doing our variety shows. Ladies and gentlemen, Leslie Lee, the Queen Bee of Comedy.
Season's eatings, everybody. Come, I told him, pum-rum-pum-pum-pum. My jaw is getting sore, pum-rum-pum-pum-pum. You won't go down on me, pum-rum-pum-pum-pum. Why should I deep throat thee? Rum-pum-pum-pum, my lips are numb, 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 numb. And now, a word from our sponsor with the perfect gift for the working girl on your list. Ladies, are you stuck in the pink-collar ghetto? Working harder and getting paid less than men in the same position? Have you put in the long hours and still failed to get that raise or promotion? Train some snot-nosed little college kid only to have him become your supervisor? Then the latest innovation from the good folks at Ramco is for you. Break through that glass ceiling with the Lee Press-On Penis. That's right. The Lee Press-On Penis, once a closely guarded secret known only to cross-dressing professionals, is available now through this limited time offer. Be the first gal in your office to advance just because you can pee standing up. Finally, get the respect and recognition you deserve with this versatile appendage. And that's not all. The Lee Press-On Penis makes the transition from boardroom to bedroom with ease. Show your husband or boyfriend who's really the boss. Handcrafted from the finest materials for natural look and feel the discriminating female executive will love, the Lee Press-On Penis is self-adhesive for easy application. Just peel, stick, and start calling the shots. But wait, there's more. Brazilian waxes can be expensive and painful. Say goodbye to them forever with the Lee Press-On Penis. The Lee Press-On Penis comes in 3 generous sizes: President, CEO, and OMG, and is available in 10 realistic shades. Ask for it by name at your favorite drug or discount store today. That's the Lee Press-On Penis, because hard work isn't always enough. Show the world you've got a pair with the Lee Press-On Penis, testicles sold separately. Speaking of nuts, your nuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Daniels slipping down my throat. You finally got on my nerves, so I shot It's Lights Out, and that's all she wrote. Everybody knows you've taken me for granted, but I'm the one who's laughing now. My Yule tree has got your dead head on the top, and those ain't berries on that mistletoe. I know the cops are on their way. They want to charge me with your murder gone astray. But every juror that judge supplies will take pity and they'll sympathize. And so I'm offering this holiday a gift of jewelry from your bones. Your demise will be the best present I'll see. Merry Christmas to me. Thank you. That's quite what Nat King Cole had in mind, I'm sure. Now I know the question on everyone's lips: what does a Leslie Lee want for Christmas? What does the Queen Bee, what's on her wish list? Well, like any other red-blooded American gal, I just want a boyfriend that doesn't require batteries. But my girlfriends and I went to see Santa today to have our picture taken at the mall, kind of as a goof, you know. And geez, what a pervert, you know? I think he wanted to have a 3-way. He took a look at us and said, ho, ho, ho. It's beginning to look like you might get laid. She's ordered a another drink. As you take out that wad of cash, you're hoping that there's a stash of new sex toys under her bathroom sink. You're beginning to think you might get lucky. She's almost drunk enough. But for all the dough you spent, you'd have been better off to rent triple X-rated video stuff. That's it for me. I'm Leslie Lee. They call me the Queen Bee of Comedy. Thank you.